Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget, subscribe button's down there. You know what to do with that to get notified of all our future videos. Today we're going to have a look at a book from Kagero. This is part of their TopDrawings series. This one is on the P-47 Thunderbolt. Okay, so let's have a look, see what we get inside the book. So this is TopDrawings number 72 in their series. It's on the P-47 Thunderbolt, and it just covers these models, basically some B's, C's, D's, and some G's. Most notably, it's the ones with this sort of canopy, not the bubble top canopy. Polish and English text throughout, poster inside. So let's have a look. Start with a bit of a background to the differences between the versions that are mentioned in this book. English is pretty good, a couple of little weird words in places, but nothing that's going to stop you understanding what it is they're saying. And then we get into usual the line drawings, starting off with the XP-47B right back at the beginning, an interesting one with twin propellers on the front, and then on to B's, showing you the even small differences, like a different mirror found there. Up to the C, the aerial's changed, shows you drawings of weaponry as well. These are the tiny TEM rockets. An early P-47C front and back views of C versions, side views of more C's, different versions, different views of the canopy, down bombs, more side views, literally showing you every single panel line and how things are supposed to look. 47C2, incendiary bombs this time, alternative rear mirrors, aerials changed again, G ones, which I believe are the same as the C ones, just C's, just manufactured in a different factory. P-47 with a radio compass, weapon racks, more weaponry. Interesting view of the aircraft with the engine cowlings off. Top view of a trainer version, a G16. Then P-47Ds. Then onto some colour profiles, there's a few of these. I think this is what they meant by the poster, although to be honest it's not the kind of thing you'd probably stick on the wall. What we'll also get in the middle here is, or I should have said so far, these are all 1/48 scale diagrams. Top and bottom view of a D22, some wing profiles as well, and then top and bottoms of a C version, and again some extra pieces in here as well. Then continuing with more colour profiles, and there's the last two. And on to D5s, D6s, with differences at the front there. D10s, some fuselage profiles here for you as well. D22, this is the aircraft that all the fuselage profiles are based on. Then D23 and front and back view for D22. Then on to 1/72 diagrams. These are the easiest ones to see the differences. They put in grey everything that changed from the previous one, like going from the XP-47B to the P-47B, canopy changed, they actually list them all here. Then going through them all again, you can see all the changes. Fuselage was lengthened there. And sometimes the changes are small, just the aerial change there. Another fuselage extension, G16, the dual canopies. I'm going through basically where all the panel lines, all the panels are, and all the way through to the D23 to show with just changes in propellers in those ones. And then at the back we've got a few more top drawings of ships and aircraft, which is pretty neat. So yeah, and a couple more colour profiles on the back. So all in all, if you're doing one of these particular models of the P-47, then it'll be handy. You get all the panel lines, you know, where everything's supposed to be, especially if you're doing some modifications, you know, like you're taking some wing panels off, you're building an unusual version like the twin cockpit version, and if you just want to check to make sure that all the panel lines are in all the right places, this will be the book for you. So I'll put a link to this on Kagero's site underneath the video. There'll be some images on the website, and many thanks to Kagero for sending it along for us to have a look at.